Elevate your ride's interior to a whole new level with FH Group's heavy-duty neoprene seat covers. Made of thick, waterproof neoprene fabric, these heavy-duty covers are our toughest yet. They are stretchy and feather light, yet surprisingly durable. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. To top it off, the covers can accommodate traditional heated or cooled seats. Plus, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket to keep your personal items stored within an arm's reach. The matching rear seat covers are compatible with both solid or split bench seats, and the soft, high-quality neoprene fabric is backed by an extra waterproof layer. Leave it to FH to provide the extra comfort and protection you and your passengers deserve. The full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and 5 headrest covers. Choose from a variety of sporty, vibrant colors and personalize your ride today.